Storm's Tech channel here, and today I've been reading about the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL for Visible Wireless. So as I'm recording this video here, it is coming soon to Visible. The release date is August 20th. So yeah, this is the Pixel 11 Pro XL here. It looks like the Pixel 11, obviously. You guys got the front and back right there. You guys got your triple camera system, your highlight feature, which is new to the Pixel 11 lineup this year. It's like a navigation light, so that's pretty interesting. You have your Google logo down the back. On the front of the phone is your hole punch for your front-facing camera. Power and button keys on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone, like I said, power button, button keys. Right side, power button, button keys. And you have a camera bump there from the camera bar. There's the back of the phone, triple camera system, highlight feature, Google logo, and your camera bar on the back. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is available in 3 colors. You have Obsidian, which is being shown right here, Canyon, and olive color options, so pretty cool. So yeah, the 256GB Pixel 11 Pro XL is $1299.99. The 512GB version is $1419.99. All right. So the 256GB Pixel 11 Pro XL is $3611 a month for 36 months. It's 0% APR, and like I just said, it's $1299.99 for retail price for the 256GB version. The 512GB version is $3944 a month for 36 months. It's 0% APR, or it's $1419.99 a month for retail price. There, I don't know. I keep taking me to the top there. Very annoying, but let's continue here. Visible Protect, it's obviously recommended to get phone transfer phone. It's very recommended. It says that Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, attention grabbing design, the latest evolution of the Google Pixel camera. Gemini intelligence anticipates your needs, helping you get back to the moment. Expertly crafted with incredibly strong materials for everyday drop protection. It's the most durable Pixel Pro yet, and it's available in 2 sizes, 6.3 inches and 6.8 inches. We're looking at the 6.8 version in this video. The Pixel 11 Pro XL has a 6.8 inch display. This is a 5G compatible device, obviously. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport's up to date. Specs on the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. Like I just mentioned, the screen size, it is a 6.8 inch Super Aqua display, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 cover glass, 1344 by 2992. Pixel resolution, that's an LTPO OLED display at 486 ppi. The Pixel 11 Pro XL weighs 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 6.4 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. It takes eSIM. That's pretty much standard now for the Pixel devices, and also a lot of phones now. eSIM is a lot faster. It's a lot secure, I guess, and it's way easier to transfer your stuff over to a different eSIM compatible device. So eSIM is a lot faster and more convenient. So there you go. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL comes with Android 17 with 7 years of security and OS updates. That's nice. Rear camera, Pro triple rear camera system, 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide with macro focus, 48 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, Pro resolution up to 120 times, and optical quality 0.5x, 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x. Front-facing camera is a 42 megapixel dual PD selfie camera with autofocus, f2.2 aperture, 103 degrees ultra field of view. It has a Google Tensor G6 chipset, fly like a G6. Do you guys remember that song? It has a Titan M3 security code processor, memory, 256GB with 12GB of RAM, or 512GB with 16GB of RAM. The battery is 15 milliamp battery, usage time up to 35 hours. Security, you have fingerprint unlock, which is an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, pattern, PIN, password, Bluetooth 6.0, band that has 5G sub 6 GHz and C-band, roaming, of course. If you guys want to learn more about the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, link will be down below for that. Alright. So, yeah, there you guys have it, the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. Now here at Visible Wireless, it's available in 3 colors. So, yeah, if you guys like a phone with a big screen, this is the phone for you guys to check out. You guys will get 7 years of updates, definitely worth checking out. And, yeah, it's a very nice looking phone. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.